Hello guys. Welcome back to another episode. On today's episode, we're gonna talk about three important things you should know as a beginner trader. So make sure that you stick to the very end because this is important stuff that I'm giving you here. And you guys know me; I don't like to waste time. Let's get into the video. So, the very first point that I want to talk about is that you should never quit your job. A lot of beginner traders they make this mistake. They assume they're gonna make a lot of money quickly, so they quit their job, which is not always the case because um, the truth about the forex market is that you're gonna lose um, a lot of money before you are able to master the skill. So you do need a stable income in order to master the forex market. So I don't advise you to quit your job. And the second point is that you should never um, switch between strategies. A lot of beginner traders they switch between strategies, and that could cost you a lot of time. So you need to stick to one strategy and master that. And the honest truth is that every strategy works. Um, don't listen to people when they say certain strategy doesn't work. So you need to stick to one strategy, master that, and it's gonna save you a lot. And the last point that I want to talk about is that you should uh, you should avoid falling for scams. The honest truth about this industry is that there are many scammers, and you don't want to fall for them. They prey on beginner traders, and don't fall for them, guys. You can learn a lot. You can learn a lot here on YouTube. I learned the most of the most things that I know now. I learned them here on Facebook. I mean, I can recommend some channels. Um, I don't know if I should do that here or I should do that on another video. So I don't know. I, we can talk about it on the comment section, um, which leads to the end of the video, guys. Don't fall for scams. Don't quit your job. Stick to one strategy. And thank you for watching another episode.